Good morning. You are welcome to online lectures with Pharmaceutical, the school boy. Today, we take a look at dispensing. And the topic is dosage calculation. So we are going to take a question from this book. The book is Pharmaceutical Dispensing, 1000 Objective Questions and Answers by Vincent C. Okore, PhD, 2001 edition. So we use question number 236 as an example. So okay. The question says, a dose of a drug is 5 milligrams per kilogram body weight. How many grams should be given to a child weighing 55 pounds? Excuse me. Sorry for the question says, a dose of a drug is 5 milligrams per kilogram body weight. How many grams should be given to a child weighing 55 pounds? Option A says 0.200 gram. Option B says 0.150 gram. Option C says 0.125 gram. Option D says 0.100 gram. As I said before now, this is dispensing and the topic is dosage calculations. And the question is taken from the book Pharmaceutical Dispensing, 1000 Objectives, Questions with Answers by Vincent C. Okore, PhD, 2001 edition. And this is number 236 questions. Okay, now let's solve this question. Solution. Solution. Now, the dose of the drug is 5 milligram per kilogram body weight. Is better to dose drug based on the body weight, not just based on the patient's age. And it's even the best to combine the body weight and the height. That is when you start going over to nomogram, the BSA, that is the best. But this one deals with just the dose of the drug and the patient's body weight. So, patient's body weight, let's assume that the patient's body weight is 1 kilogram. That means the patient will require 5 milligrams. So that's what it means. That per 1 kilogram body weight, they will need 5 milligrams. So if the patient is 10 kilograms, for example, now, that means the patient will need 10 times 5 milligrams, which is 50 milligrams. That's the meaning. Now, but there's something else here. It said how many grams should be given to a child weighing 55 pounds. A lot of things are combined in these questions. In this question, you notice there is intra-system conversion, moving from one metric system to the other. Watch out, milligram is here, gram is here. They say we should find it in what? Gram. So after everything you are doing, remember that there is intra-system conversion. And there's also inter-system conversion. Conversion from one system to another system. Before you can solve this, you must move this pound, which is Abadipoa, imperial system, metric common system, whole system. You must move it to the metric system, which is gram, kilogram, as case may be. So that's what the point I want to make before we start solving this question. Okay, now the first thing we need to do is let's move this pound to kilogram. There's a relationship between kilogram and pounds. 1 kilogram, you can also move it directly to gram, 454 grams. But to avoid creating bogus number, let me just move it to kilogram, then take it off from there. So there's this relationship that says that 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. So we can use this to solve this question. 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. So if 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds, how many kilograms will be 55 pounds? We don't know. We call it X. X is equal to what? 55 pounds. So we find this X. So X, if you cross multiply, X is equal to what? 1 kilogram times 55 pounds over 2.2 pounds. Let's move this 2.2 from decimal fraction to common fraction. Move it, it becomes 22 over 10. Yes, put 1, it becomes 22 over 10. Because 22 over 10 is 2.2. So if you do so, we have something like this, that X is equal to, that X is equal to, that X is equal to 1 kilogram times 55 pounds. We bring this out, divided by 22 over 10 pounds. That's the meaning, because this is division, 22 over 10. So, but we cannot solve that this. We must, for us to be able to work on this thing, this will change to multiplication, and this will come up, 10 will come up. So we have something like this: 1 kilogram times 55 pounds times 10 over 22 pounds. So we can cancel out. Of course, now remember that this pound is down, so this pound will cancel this pound. We are left with kilogram. What can go here? 2 can go here, we have 5. 2 can go here, we have 11. 11 can still go, divide 55, we have 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 1 kilogram is 25 kilograms. So the patient's body weight in metric units is 25 kilograms. So we can now use this 25 kilograms to solve this question. Now let's go back to this first part of the question. So we have moved this 55 pounds to kilogram. So here now we have 5 milligram per kilogram body weight. As I said before now, what this implies is that the patient will need 1 kilogram body weight of the patient will require 5 milligram of the what? The drug. So if 1 kilogram of the body weight, we need 5 milligram of the drug. Now, how many 25 kilogram of the body weight, we need how many milligram of the drug? We need how many milligram? I don't know, we call it X. So X, if we cross multiply, X is now what? 25 kilogram times 5 milligram over what? 1 kilogram. So kilogram will divide kilogram. We take care of kilogram. So we have 25 times 5 milligram, which is 125 milligram. Remember, we did inter-system conversion here, but we here is 125 milligram. We are told to leave our answer in, they say how many grams. So we do intra-system conversion. Both milligram and gram are metric units. So moving from milligram to gram is intra-system conversion. So now let's do it. The relationship between gram and milligram is that 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So if 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram, so how many gram will be what? 125 milligram is X. So find that X. X is now equal to what? 1 gram times 125 milligram all over what? 1000 milligram. Milligram will divide milligram. We are left with 125 over 1000. And 125 over 1000, if we do the decimal movement, our decimal point moves from here to here. 10 will go. It moves from here to here again. It becomes 1.25. Another 0 will go. It moves from here again and becomes 0.125. The third 0 will go. So the answer is what? 0.125 times gram, which is 0.125 gram. So the patient will require 0.125 gram of the drug. That's the child. 125 gram of the drug. So let's look at the options. The option A says 0.200 gram now. B says 0.1250 now. C says 0.12. Sorry, B says 0.150 gram. No. C says 0.125 gram. Yes, that's what we got. But look at the last option. It says 0.100 gram now. So the answer is 0.125 gram. The answer is 0.125 gram. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention. Please, if you have any question, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. Drop your questions on the comment section. You can also chat me up on WhatsApp. And God will bless you as you do so. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. The full video will be there on the YouTube. My YouTube channel name is Pharmaceutical the Schoolboy TV. Pharmaceutical the Schoolboy TV. Pharmaceutical the Schoolboy TV. That's my YouTube channel. I'm also on Facebook, Pharmaceutical the Schoolboy. These are places you see our full videos, our online lectures, live lectures. Sometimes it can be on TikTok, sometimes it can be on YouTube, but mainly on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok at Pharmaceutical83. At Pharmaceutical83. Also, every 5 a.m. we host live online prayer. Hold Holy Rosary every morning, 5 a.m. So, if you are interested, join us. If you are interested, join us. I'm going to bless you as you do so. Please share these lectures. Share with your friends, your students, your colleagues. Someone out there may be in need of these lectures. And God will bless you as you do so. See you next time.